When you think of Antarctica, you probably picture endless snow, bone-chilling winds, and glaciers as far as the eye can see, right? The image of a vast, icy wilderness is what most of us have in mind. It's a place where the cold is so intense that it feels like it could freeze time itself. The sheer expanse of white, the howling winds, and the towering ice formations create a landscape that seems almost otherworldly. But what if I told you that tucked away deep in this frozen continent there's a place so dry it hasn't seen rain or snow in nearly 1,000,000 years? Yes, you heard that right. Nearly 1,000,000 years without a single drop of precipitation. It's a stark contrast to the rest of Antarctica, where snowstorms and blizzards are a regular occurrence. Sounds impossible, but it's true. Welcome to the McMurdo Dry Valleys, the driest place on Earth. This region defies all expectations of what Antarctica should be. Instead of ice and snow, you'll find a landscape that looks like it belongs on another planet. Let's zoom in a little closer. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a geological wonder, a place where the usual rules of nature seem to be suspended. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a cluster of rugged, rocky valleys near the Ross Sea, stretching across about 4,800 square kilometers. This vast area is a mosaic of different terrains, each more fascinating than the last. Forget what you know about typical deserts. These valleys look more like the surface of Mars than anywhere else on our planet. The comparison to Mars isn't just poetic, it's a scientific observation. The dry, rocky terrain with its cracked earth and sparse vegetation is eerily similar to what we imagine the Martian landscape to be. Seriously, imagine cracked earth, jagged rocks, and dusty mountains with barely a snowflake in sight. It's a place where the usual Antarctic whiteness is replaced by shades of brown and red, creating a surreal and almost unsettling beauty. No rain, no snow, no ice sheets, just bare ground, frozen lakes, and air that's so dry you'd think you were on another world. The frozen lakes are particularly fascinating. They're like nature's paradox, existing in a place where liquid water is almost non-existent. But how can a place in the middle of Antarctica, surrounded by some of the coldest, wettest conditions on Earth, be this dry? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and explorers alike. Here's the secret. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are surrounded by towering mountains that block almost all precipitation. These natural barriers act like giant shields, preventing snow and rain from reaching the valleys. And then there's the wind. These valleys get blasted by katabatic winds, super cold, super dry gusts that can reach over 300 kilometers per hour. These winds are relentless, scouring the landscape and removing any trace of moisture. That's faster than most hurricane winds. Imagine standing in a windstorm that powerful. It's enough to take your breath away, quite literally. These winds are so strong they sweep away any hint of moisture. Snow doesn't stand a chance. It just sublimates, turning straight from solid to vapor. This process leaves the ground bare and dry, a stark contrast to the icy surroundings. The result? A landscape so extreme, NASA sends its Mars rovers here for testing. The conditions are so similar to Mars that it's the perfect place to simulate Martian missions. Now here's where things get even crazier. Despite all that dryness, life still finds a way. It's a testament to the resilience of life, adapting to even the harshest conditions. Scientists have discovered tiny microbes living in these valleys, clinging to life in pockets of salty, oxygen-poor water beneath thick layers of ice. These microbes are like time capsules, offering a glimpse into ancient life forms that have adapted to survive in extreme environments. Imagine that, life surviving where almost nothing else can. It's a discovery that challenges our understanding of life's limits and possibilities. Researchers drill deep into the ice and soil, searching for these hardy little critters. Each sample collected is a treasure trove of information, helping scientists piece together the puzzle of life in extreme conditions. Studying them gives us a glimpse into what life might look like on other planets, or on Mars itself. The findings from the McMurdo Dry Valleys could one day help us identify signs of life on Mars, making this research incredibly valuable. So the next time you think of Antarctica as a giant icy wasteland, remember the McMurdo Dry Valleys, a place so alien it's as if it doesn't belong on Earth at all. It's a reminder that our planet is full of surprises, with hidden corners that defy our expectations. If your mind is blown, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more science wonders. Your engagement helps us bring more incredible stories from the natural world. And let me know, would you explore the driest place on Earth, or is that just too extreme for you? The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a testament to the extremes of our planet, and exploring them is not for the faint of heart.